The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the show. We are now in Pleasant View with our friends at Stutzman's with Ben. Ben, it's always a pleasure to be with you.
Love having you and taking you behind the scenes. And
Yes.
today we're going to be talking about the poinsettias. You know, I think you guys have been kind of tracking with us, you know, from the very beginning back in July. A little tiny cutting is where these would have started from, and going through the process of rooting and growing. And this complex that we're in right now is over 33,000 square feet.
Wow.
So it kind of gives you the depth of it. But, you know, it's just amazing what you can do with poinsettias that just bring out the festiveness of Christmas.
Yes, they do.
And what I've got here is the large size, 4. Really like, you know, and you'll still see it's still turning a little bit, but it's a more pure white than some of the earlier varieties that we've had for a number of years. They almost have that off-white, almost a yellowish look. Yeah. But they are gorgeous. Our grower, that, you know, we grow about 36,000 of these things in the different sizes. He's been with us for over 30 years, and he has it down to, I'm going to just say, a science. Yeah. Through the process of growing to make sure that we're right on cue. We literally have selected, or he has selected, certain plants in each size, and we literally do what we refer to as a graphical tracking to monitor the growth, because we want a finished height, and we can adjust things with temperatures to get to where we need to be. Yeah. But he's excellent with that.
No, it really is a science. Like you said, you started this back in July, and you have over 30,000 that you sell. And last week we talked about your smaller ones. You have different sizes and different colors. Yeah,
in different colors, and more colors in the smaller ones, the little tabletop decorator size. You know, there we have the cinnamon, the jingle bells, and we've got that in the larger sizes too. But for floor plants, you know, by the fireplace or beside the sofa or whatever, the larger ones like this just really work very well. Yeah, they're
absolutely beautiful. It is time for Christmas.
It is.
Here at Stutzman's in Pleasant View. Find more information about you guys.
You know, you can always go to stutzmans.com, or if you have a question, go to questions@stutzmans.com, and that takes you directly to Jason, who does the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show, and he's amazing with that.
Yes, he is. Thank you so much for being with us today. I can't wait to take one of these home, and I know we're going to have some for the station as well. But one more in Good Day, Kansas, coming up next.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Name this place. Christmas stockings hanging with care surrounded by red poinsettia trees. Christmas trees decorated in lights laced with white and red ribbon. Snowmen in different shapes, sizes, and styles. Sleighs, stars. Know where it is? It's Stutzman's Greenhouse, Gift Gallery, and Boutique. Hi, this is Ben Miller. Christmas at Stutzman's is just like that and more. But the best way to describe it is you have to see it to believe it. Come experience Christmas with us this season, and while here, enjoy many in-store Christmas specials. Stutzman's Greenhouse in Pleasant View at stutzmans.com or Facebook.